Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm trying out a product from a brand that I am not familiar with. I've never heard of this brand before. It's called Beauty for Certain. And here I have the Perfect Collab Pencil Eyeliner Set. So this is one of the products from my December 2022 Boxycharm Premium Box, which if you haven't seen that unboxing video, that is up here on my YouTube channel. But I love getting to try out new brands, especially expensive high-end brands like this one here, because this 2 eyeliner set retails for $38. So these are supposed to be creamy, easy glide-on liners that go on smooth and give you a long-lasting look with staying power. So that sounds like what I look for in my eyeliners. I got this in navy and bronze. So let's start out with some swatches to see how these colors look. So first we've got the navy, and these are the type of pencil that you have to sharpen. Does glide on, and that's looking pretty true navy. Got my navy sweater here that it seems to go nicely with, which I'm realizing now my sweater is all chewed up. The consequences of having a puppy that likes to chew on sleeves. And then the bronze shade. This one's kind of hard to show up. I was hoping this one would be more pigmented and look more similar to how it looks on the packaging here, but it's not super shiny, not super pigmented, and I almost feel like the more I go over it, it's like erasing over itself. So not super pigmented of swatches, but they might look pigmented enough on the eyes. Let's go ahead and find out. And here you can see how those swatches look. And so this gives some direction as to why this is the perfect collab. And it says to start out with the navy and line the upper lash line. So I'll go ahead and do that. It does seem to be gliding on pretty well. And it's pretty gentle on the eye. I'm able to get a nice line and it didn't poke at my eye. And once you get up close, you can tell it's a navy. I feel like just any navy from a distance is going to look like a black eyeliner, but it's a good shade of navy. It's actually very similar to my sweater, like a very pretty blue. I actually really like how that looks on the upper lash line. Now the bronze shade, I wasn't too impressed with the swatch, but let's see how it is on the lower lash line, because a bronze metallic is exactly what I like to wear on my lower lash line. Oh yeah, it's just not showing up much. And here I feel like it is a little rough on the eye, basically just because of the way I'm trying to apply it. Going over it a lot to try and get it to show up. But that's a bummer. The navy is showing up nicely on the eye with enough pigment. This bronze shade, I cannot get it to show up. But, you know, I'm going to go ahead and try it on the upper lash line of my other eye and just see if it can show up some more. Because I had some good luck with that navy on the upper lash line. Yeah, no, it's just really looking like nothing. Yeah, absolutely nothing. Maybe like the slightest tint of color, the slightest like one piece of glitter on the upper lash line, but yeah, that's wild that it's so bad. It says like maybe you can use it in the inner corner. Let's see. Nothing. Okay, I need to give up on this one. I'm just getting frustrated with it because it's just clearly it has no color, no pigment to it. The navy is okay. Also, they smudge right off. So it's supposed to have staying power, but if you're gonna rub your eye, it's gonna come off. very easily. So if I had just tried out the navy, I'd be like, it's okay. But the bronze makes me really not a fan of these. I'm almost curious if it's just my bronze pencil that doesn't have pigment for some reason. So if you've tried this out, definitely let me know in the comments down below if your bronze pencil showed up at all. But so my first experience with this brand, Beauty for Certain, I wouldn't say went great. But if you've tried any other products from this brand that you really like, definitely let me know about those in the comments down below. And as always, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.